How to see your local files on Spotify PC. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to see your local files on Spotify using PC. So let's get started. I have opened up Spotify app on my laptop, or you can also open it up on your PC, and this is where you will get. We want to enable the option of local files, which means it will show us the files that we have in our laptop or in our computer, different MP3 files or different songs that we have that are not on Spotify. In order to enable that option, you have to click on your profile right here, and then you have to click on settings. It will open up these settings for you, and you just have to scroll down. So once you get right here, you can see we have local files. Show local files. You have to enable this option. If it's gray, that means it is disabled and you cannot see your local files. And we want to enable this one. We're gonna make it green. Now we have show songs from downloads or music library. You can also add a source from where you want to add songs to your Spotify. For example, any folder that you have in your computer. So you can add it as a source. Now I have enabled this option. We can go back. Just enable this option in the settings. Make it green right here. Now we will go back to our home, and we will be able to actually see our own library within our Spotify. This is my local files. You can see right here, and it's showing me the songs that I have downloaded on my laptop. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.